what's up? I'm Oindrula and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to give you my honest review of the Garnier Skin Natural Light Complete Instant Brightening Milky Serum Mask. Now this is a sheet mask. In this video, I am going to tell you what the product claims. Which of these claims does the product deliver? Finally, I'll tell you the pros and cons of using this sheet mask. If you're new to my channel and are into bold makeup looks and honest skincare reviews, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell. If you are always conscious and confused about what certain ingredients in a particular skincare product means and what are the effects of that on your skin, you can follow me on Instagram as well. My Insta handle is Plush Maquillage. Now this is a milky serum mask. It is a brightening mask. It is for all those who have dull skin and have dark spots. One mask is equivalent to 1 week of serum. Now that I've given you a brief overview of this sheet mask, let me get into the two main claims of this sheet mask. The first claim is after one application, that is after 15 minutes of applying this on your face is going to be 1 skin tone brighter. The second claim is after using this 3 times a week for a span of 1 week, you will see that your skin has become radiant, it is glowing, and finally your dark spots will show signs of reduction. Now let us check whether these two claims are actually true. Let me show you the application. The application process is super easy. All you have to do is cleanse your face, take this sheet mask out. Now, when you take the sheet mask out, you will see that it is dripping in a milky kind of serum. After this, you are going to open the sheet mask, place it over your face with the blue side facing outward, gently press it all over your face to make it an even spread. Finally, peel off the blue layer, leave it for 15 minutes. Remove the mask and gently massage the essence with a cotton. You can either remove it or you can gently massage the essence that is left over on your face. Now I'm sure from the video you might have seen it clearly that the first claim that your skin becomes instantly a tone brighter is actually true. Honestly, I'm not really a fan of sheet masks and I never believe when a product says that after one application you can see instant results. However, this sheet mask really surprised me because the first claim that it makes that after 15 minutes of use, that is after one use, your skin tone becomes 1 shade lighter. When we come to the second claim, I have used it for a week in these 3 applications and what I see is that it gives me the same result that I got after the first application. Glowing, radiant, yes, this delivers. However, in the second claim it says that your dark spots are actually treated. I don't really see a huge difference after the first use and the third use. Now let's come to the pros and cons. Let's start with the pros. If you have a very special event on the same day and you need this instant brightness and you don't have time to go to the parlor, this is your savior. Take if you have an important family function or any event, just apply this and you will see that all your dead and tiredness will go away. Secondly, it is perfect for all skin types. It is amazing for acne prone skin, it is amazing for dry, combination, oily skin. Sensitive skin people, this product claims that it is really good for sensitive skin people. So all my viewers who are sensitive skin people and have tried it, please do let me know in the comment section whether this product worked out for you guys. Another thing is smoothness. Definitely this will promote smoothness and it instantly hydrates. It has abundance of vitamin C. It is amazing when it comes to hiding those wrinkles and also promoting collagen production. Now coming to the cons. Firstly, the brightness is not permanent. The next day you will see that your skin tone is back to normal. Secondly, if you're looking for this as a continuous treatment of your dark spots, I would recommend that instead of depending on this mask, you can actually inculcate a vitamin C serum in your cleanser, toner, moisturizer routine to treat those dark spots, because just depending on this will will not help you in the long run. I hope you found this video useful. Please do let me know in the comment section what you thought about this product. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. You can also follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle is Plush Maquillage. Until next time, plushes, loads of love. Bye.